everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily if you're new here. Today I want to share with you all an unboxing and review of a new bag I just purchased during one of the amazing holiday sales that's been going on. This bag was from Sense, so I believe their things come directly from Europe, so you tend to be able to get a better deal on them. So this is the Jacquemus Le Grand Chiquito bag in a black leather. Super gorgeous and trendy right now, so I got this for an amazing deal and I wanted to share it with you all. So let's get right in the video and let's get started. Okay, so here she is. Open up the box and the bag comes in just a beautiful simple burlap dust bag. Has the Jacquemus up front and very simple plain packaging. No box, unfortunately. I don't know, honestly I haven't looked into too much if Jacquemus has their own boxes. I'm sure they do, but this is how mine came from Sense. And here she is, gorgeous, beautiful bag. I hope I said the name right, Le Grand Chiquito. So this is obviously the bigger size of that more trendy like micro bag that's been going on. So I definitely like my bags to be functional and actually useful, and I don't want them to be like accessories. I know like the micro bags are really cute, like as the kind of like almost like a necklace or accessory, but for me I want my bag to actually be a bag. So I love this size, so gorgeous. The handle like takes up just as much height as the actual bag itself. So definitely like the handle itself is a statement. Very simple, very classy, and this is gold. I love most gold hardwares over silver personally. And then of course this strap is adjustable and removable. I love this. It's very simple and very elegant. Seriously, I wouldn't have a hard time going with a lot of outfits. And then I definitely like the comfort of this being such a large strap drop length here between the top handle and the actual bag. So pretty happy in my first impressions of this. And then these little plastics are still intact. It's just like a snap button closure up front. So beautiful. I'm really scared of this being easy to scratch just because the leather looks really smooth and like very like sleek. But we'll see. And then the inside, this is just a cloth interior. It does not feel, it's definitely not suede, and it's kind of got a rougher feeling. I don't exactly know the material, but yeah, it definitely seems like cloth, so it seems like it could get dirty a little easier. I kind of would prefer if it was just all blacks to keep it like, less noticeable if something gets dirty. This one will be pretty noticeable. So that's one thing, but I will, as always, put some kind of bag organizer or like just a slot to make sure that this doesn't get dirty. Yep, so it's just got the name in the leather right here, and that's pretty much it. Very cute, very simple. Not a whole lot to this. Yeah, and then let me tell you all about price before I do more like try-ons and stuff. This was such an insane deal. I know this was like selling out in the regular like department stores over and over again. I think with this being the more functional size, people kind of were going crazy over that. And then this color obviously goes with everything. It's very simple. And so this regular retail is $810, which is a great deal compared to a lot of luxury bags nowadays, especially for this one that's like very hyped up and super trendy. So regular price was $810, and then I got this from Sense on another holiday sale like a couple weeks ago for $575. That's insane. The tiny micro bag, the one that's like the actual regular version of this, was probably $550, I think, or $540. So this full-size bag for $575 was an insane deal, and I figured this will go with tons of outfits. It has a really unique top handle that I don't have a lot of like top handle bags. I have been looking at the hourglass bag, so we're gonna see on that, but the Balenciaga one, so that kind of reminds me of that. But This is so cute. This shape is a little like more unique too, very sleek and like very straight lines kind of. So amazing price. And then I also always use Rakuten. If you've watched my channel, I always talk about that and how I got an extra 7% cash back, I believe, from Sense for Rakuten. So basically you just shop through Rakuten and do your regular shopping through there and check out through Rakuten on the Sense website, and you get an extra whatever the cash back is at the time. Mine was 7%, but like Saks was doing 15% during the holidays, so it can be really crazy, especially when you're shopping luxury. If you're spending $1,000 and you don't use Rakuten, you kind of missed out on $150 right there if they are doing like 15% cash back. So amazing deal. So I basically got like another like 45 bucks off of just shopping through Rakuten. And then also this company, although they are, I think, all coming from Europe, and that's why they have a little bit more of cheaper pricing on the luxury goods than regular retail. This one does charge tax, so this one ended up being like $6.17 after tax. Still amazing price. Like for regular retail, this would be like $8.90 after tax. So love that. Let me show you all a couple different ways to wear it. So you could take this off, which seems like a very popular way to wear it right now. This is so cute. So I'm kind of wearing my sweater dress. Love this with this outfit. Could wear it on the nook of the arm, and this one's so comfortable. It's not like tight against my arm like how a lot of bags tend to be with the shoulder strap being just so small. This one's huge, so very comfortable, and I can actually see myself wearing this like this more than like what I would normally think I would, especially because this is a very lightweight bag, probably like 0.25 of a pound. So very nice and lightweight. Love that. Maybe if you're a smaller, more petite frame, you could kind of wear it on the shoulder. Not exactly what I would recommend for me personally. So I know like shoulder bags are like kind of a thing right now, so you could kind of do that. I would probably wear it here or just hold it like this in pictures. I put this chain back on, and then this is also has a few different adjustable holes here. Not too many, so don't expect too much change in the length. There's like 4 adjustable holes. And then this does say Jacquemus here in the engraving on the removable strap. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the shoulder. Love this, so cute. Great length, it's not too long and not too short. Perfect on the shoulder. And then I think crossbody might be a little tight. Yeah, this is a little tight because this handle is coming up all the way underneath my arm. So crossbody, I don't recommend this, which is disappointing because I do love to wear all my bags crossbody, because when I'm not like taking a picture or like when I'm just like shopping or whatever, I like to have like my hands be free. Let me see if I adjust this a little more, how it looks as a crossbody. Still kind of pokes up here, but definitely would wear it like this, but still not super comfortable. The holes are very hard to adjust, so would keep in mind what you like and kind of try to keep it at that length so as not to damage these holes even further. But yeah, this is a very simple, not much to it bag, but it's still so gorgeous and so trendy, and it goes with so much stuff. So very happy with that. I love the unique top handle and this huge space. That's like one of the main features of this, I feel like. So gorgeous, super simple and sleek bag. Oh yeah, while I'm on here and talking about scents, I got these Valentino little like gold earrings with a crystal here. So just thought I'd share those with you as well. Those came in this little Valentino dust bag, and this one did come in a red box. I don't have that on me right now, but yeah, just thought I'd throw this out there. And then these were an amazing deal. One thing to note with this site is that if you see it at a crazy deal, I would just get it, because the next day they just change prices so randomly on there. So these I got at $160, and then the next day I saw and checked back and it went up to like 210 again, or 220. So yeah, just the most random like sales. Like they don't announce these sales even. Like I just go like look at the brands I'm like interested in and filter. So when I looked back again, the price seemed to have just gone up randomly the next day. If you just see something at a good price on this website, I would just get it while you can. So these were a really great deal, and these Valentino earrings normally on the Valentino site are like $250 or $260 plus tax. So nice discount. It's like almost half off, so crazy deal. And most things are free shipping, and like the import duties and all that are included. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review, and of course as I wear these I always like to do update reviews and let you know what I think. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and please press the subscribe button, as that really helps me out. I have tons more like holiday sale videos coming up. Please check those out, and thanks again for watching everyone. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!